Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Zoho marketing subscriber from Google Sheets. So here what I want is that I automatically want to create new subscriber in my Zoho marketing account where I'm running my email marketing campaign. So here in my Google Sheet I'm keeping the record of all my leads or my contact, and I want to add these leads or contact as a subscriber in Zoho marketing. So for doing this automatically, I need to build a connection between Google Sheets and Zoho marketing. So here for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to add a new lead details in my Google Sheet, then automatically by capturing all those details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Zoho marketing. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Zoho marketing subscribers from Google Sheet. So Zoho marketing refers to Zoho's suite of marketing tools designed to help businesses to manage their marketing activities more effectively. So the suite includes a variety of products, each focusing on different aspects of marketing such as email marketing, social media management, customer engagement, and analytics. So one of the key components of Zoho marketing is Zoho Campaigns, which is an email marketing platform that allows businesses to create, send, and track email campaigns. It helps in managing subscriber lists, segmenting audience, automating email sequences, and analyzing campaign performance. So here what we are going to do is we are going to work on this campaign. So here what we want is that we want to automatically subscribe contacts or the leads that we have in our Google Sheet, and we want to subscribe this to a particular list in Zoho marketing so that we can start our email campaigns with these leads. So in this video, we will explore how to automate the process of adding subscribers to Zoho marketing from Google Sheets. So if you manage your contacts or lead in Google Sheets, you know how important it is to keep your email marketing list up to date, and however, manually transferring these contacts from Google Sheets to Zoho marketing can be tedious and time consuming, especially when your list is going to grow. So by automating this process, I can ensure that every time a new contact is added to my Google Sheet, then they are automatically subscribed to my Zoho marketing campaigns. So this integration saves me time, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures that my marketing efforts are always targeting the most current and relevant audience. So in this video, I will guide you through setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect so you can seamlessly keep your Zoho marketing subscriber list up to date. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Zoho marketing. And I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on the sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Zoho marketing subscriber from Google Sheets. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab, I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on create. So I'm going to click here. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And these are the two main building blocks of our workflow. And here trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger. And here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select Google Sheets here. Now I'm going to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new or updated spreadsheet row will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. And now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in my Google Sheet, I have this particular spreadsheet that I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. And here the spreadsheet name is Marketing Leads. And in this, I have all these columns like the first name, last name, email, phone number, city, and the company. So here I'm going to add all the detail of my lead or the contact that I want to add as a subscriber in Zoho Marketing. So here in these columns, I want to add the detail of my lead or the contact. And by using those details, I want to create a new subscriber in Zoho Marketing for my marketing campaign. So here what I need to do is I need to connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, and here we are using sheet 1. So for connecting this sheet with Pabbly Connect, I need to go to extensions, and here I need this particular extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. So if we don't have this extension, then what we need to do is we need to go to add-ons, and here we need to click on get add-ons. And here it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have this search bar, and in this we are going to search for our extension, that is Pabbly Connect webhooks. And I'm going to open my extension. And we are going to see our extension like this. So what we need to do is we need to first install this extension, and I have already installed this. So I'm going to close this page. And after installing this extension, what we need to do is we need to first refresh our spreadsheet. And after refreshing the spreadsheet, we need to go back to extensions. So here we need to go to our extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. And here what we need to do is we need to use this extension to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to click on Initial Setup. And here by using Initial Setup, I can connect this sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here I have the selected sheet, that is sheet 1, and I'm working on sheet 1 only. Now here I need to give my webhook URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to give my trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here the trigger column is going to be your last data entry column. And in my spreadsheet, I have this column F, which is my last data entry column. So this column F is going to be my trigger column. So I'm going to fill that here. And here I have filled column F as my trigger column. And now what is going to happen is that as the data will be filled in this particular column, then automatically as I'm going to fill that data in that last data entry column, then automatically the data of that whole row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on send test. And here I have successfully sent test data. So here I have this first row, and in my first row I have added the detail of my first lead. And I have sent this lead data as a test data to Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to click on submit, and my setup is configured successfully. Now I'm going to close this, and here I have connected this sheet 1 with Pabbly Connect. Now here with this connection, I want one more thing, that as I'm going to add the detail of a new lead or a new contacts in new rows in this particular Google Sheet, then automatically I want that new row data to be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for this, I need to go back to extensions. I need to go to my extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here I need to enable this option of send on event. So I'm going to enable this option, and after enabling this option, what is going to happen is that as I'm going to add the detail of a new lead or a new contact in a new row in my Google Sheet, then automatically and immediately the row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have my trigger column, that is column F. I have my spreadsheet name, that is marketing leads. Also in this, I have the random phone number of my lead. I have the first name, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. Email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have my company name, that is Papcon, and I have the city, that is Bhopal. So here I have received all these details of my contact or the lead that I want to subscribe in Zoho Marketing, and I have received all these details from my Google Sheet. Now what I need to do is that as I have received all these details of my lead from my Google Sheet, then automatically by using those details, I need to create a new subscriber in my Zoho Marketing application so that I can run my email campaign. So for creating a new subscriber, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, And here my action application is going to be Zoho Marketing. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select Zoho Marketing here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And I need to scroll down. And here I have this particular action event of subscribe lead. So I'm going to select this as my action event. And now I need to connect Zoho Marketing with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And I need to click on connect with Zoho Marketing. Now here I need to first give my domain, and here the domain can be zoho.com, zoho.eu, zoho.in, zoho.com.au. So here for getting the domain, what I need to do is I need to go back to my Zoho Marketing application, and here in my path URL I have this domain of zoho.in. So here I'm using this domain of zoho.in, so I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need to give my domain. So I'm going to type zoho.in. And here I have filled my domain, so I'm going to click on save. And now I have to click on accept to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Zoho Marketing with Pabbly Connect. Now here first I need to select the list where I want to subscribe my lead or I want to create a new subscriber. So for selecting the list, you need to open this tab. And here you will find all the lists that you have in your Zoho Marketing account. And in this I have this particular list of Pab. So I want to use this, so I'm going to select Pab here. So I have selected my list. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details of my lead, and by using all those lead detail, I can create a new subscriber in Zoho Marketing. So here I have received the detail of my lead that I want to create as a subscriber in Zoho Marketing from my Google Sheet. So I'm going to use my response of Google Sheet, and I'm going to map all those responses of my lead here in these tabs. So I'm going to use my lead detail from my Google Sheet, and I'm going to fill all those details here in this tab of Zoho Marketing. So here I'm going to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets, and here I need to first give my contact email. So here this is the email address of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the first name and the last name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is the first name, that is Demo. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to give the last name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is the last name of my lead, that is user. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the company name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is the company name of my lead, that is PabCon. So I'm going to map this. I'm going to map the phone number. And now I'm going to map the city. Now here I have mapped all the required detail, all the responses that I have received from my Google Sheet. And here I have all these other tabs too. But I am not receiving any of these detail of my lead from my Google Sheet response. So if you are receiving these details, you can map those details too. And if you want to fill any of the other detail, you can do that too. Now I'm not going to fill any other detail. I'm going to leave all these tabs blank, and I'm going to scroll down. And here I need to first give my topic ID. So here in my Zoho Marketing account, I have created this topic ID of marketing. So I'm going to select that. And here you can select any topic ID that you want to use. And here I have mapped all the required details. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new lead detail from my Google Sheet row, then automatically all these details that I mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead detail from my Google Sheet in the real time. And as these details are going to get replaced, then automatically I will subscribe a new lead in my Zoho Marketing account. And now I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have received this message that says a confirmation email is sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. Now I have successfully created this workflow, and now here what has happened is a confirmation email has been sent to this user who I want to create as a subscriber in my email marketing list in Zoho Marketing. And if that user confirms that email, then automatically that user will be subscribed to my list of email marketing. Now for confirming this, I need to take you to Gmail. And here in Gmail, I have received this email. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my confirmation email which was sent to Demo. So this was the first name of my lead. And here I have this hyperlink. Please confirm your email address. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response it says, you are all set now. Thank you for joining our mailing list. check your email periodically for our newsletters and other updates. So here we can see that this user has successfully subscribed to my email marketing campaign. And now to check whether I've created a new subscriber in Zoho Marketing or not, I'm going to take you to Zoho Marketing. And here I need to go to Contacts. And in Contacts, I will first go to Lists. And here I have this particular list of tabs. So I'm going to open this. And in this list, I will go to Contacts. And here in Contacts, we can see I have created this new contact which is named as Demo User. And the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to open this subscriber. And here I have successfully created this new subscriber which is named as Demo. And here I have all these details of my subscriber. So I have the first name that is Demo, I have the last name that is User, I have this random phone number of my lead, I have the city that is Bhopal, and also I have the company name that is PabbCon. So here I have successfully subscribed this user from my Google Sheet, and here I have created the subscriber in Zoho Marketing. So here I have successfully created this automation between Google Sheets and Zoho Marketing. Now as I'm going to add the detail of a new lead in my Google Sheet, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in my Zoho Marketing application. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet, and here in Google Sheet I'm going to add the detail of a new lead. So here the first name of my lead is going to be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead, and I'm going to give the city that is going to be Indore. Now I need to give my company. So here the company will be Demo Company. And here I have filled all the required details. Now as I have filled all the detail of my lead in this new row, what should happen is that automatically and immediately this lead detail should be sent to Pabbly Connect. And by using Pabbly Connect, I have created this automation between Google Sheet and Zoho Marketing. So as the new lead detail will be received in Pabbly Connect, that lead should be subscribed in my Zoho Marketing application. So to check whether I've created a new subscriber in Zoho Marketing or not, I'm going to take you back to Zoho Marketing. I will go back. And now what I need to do is I need to go back to my Gmail account, and I'm going to go back to Inbox. And here in Inbox, we can see I have received this new email. So I'm going to open this email, and here this email was sent to test, which was the name of my lead. And in this email, I have received this hyperlink. So I'm going to open this hyperlink. And by opening this hyperlink, I have confirmed my email, and I have successfully subscribed to Zoho Marketing. Now to check whether I've created a new subscriber or not, I'm going to take you to Zoho Marketing. I'm going to refresh this page, and here in this page we can see I have created this new subscriber or a new contact that has the name test user, and the email address is testuser@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to open the subscriber, and here I have all these details of my subscriber. So this is the random phone number of my subscriber. I have the company name that is Demo Company. First name of my lead is test, last name is user. Also here I have the email address that is testuser@pabblytudes.com. And I have the city that is Indore. So here we can see I have used all these details, and I have just added these details of my lead in my Google Sheet, and automatically by using those details from my Google Sheet, I have created a new subscriber in Zoho Marketing. So here I have successfully created this automation between Google Sheets and Zoho Marketing, and I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Google Sheets with Zoho Marketing to automatically create Zoho Marketing subscriber from Google Sheets. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Sheets, and my trigger event was new or updated spreadsheet row. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here my action application was Zoho Marketing, and my action event was subscribe lead. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.